Hi friends, this video shows how to attach normal bulb to GODOX S-type mount and softbox. So first let me connect this softbox to this S-type mount. Okay, done. So now I have successfully attached this softbox to S-type mount. Okay, done. Next I am going to connect this bulb holder. This is a cheap bulb holder. So let me attach this bulb holder. We can connect this bulb holder to this S-type mount like this. This is a cheap setup. Okay, then let me put one bulb in this holder. So here I am going to use this 50 watts bulb. Let me connect this. Okay, done. So after that, let me test it. See, so next I am going to attach this soft cloth. This is a outer soft cloth, so we can attach this outer soft cloth to soft box like this. Okay, done. Let me test it. See, this way we can connect normal bulb to GODOX soft box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.